Scott is sad.
Not sad.
Why are you sad?
I'm not sad. I am not even overwhelmed. I just know that this is a major project.
This is our 1990
It's 1990 Wellcraft
Wellcraft V20.
That was picked off a lot
Somebody
Bye.
basically gave it to me.
by family members and brought to the house
It's like, yeah, it looks like a great boat.
and dropped off for me.
Thanks for the boat.
And the transom and the stringers
Show him.
are
Show him.
putty.
Well, Scott
basically.
cut off the back fiberglass there.
So fiberglass, I cut it out, and then I dug the transom out, which was a mixture of putty and some still laminated plywood. So
Yeah.
not a small job, not a hard job, but not a small job. And I really thought the transom and the stringers would be two separate pieces, but they don't. They connect with each other. So then I saw, so this should be transom right here.
Stringer.
I mean, this should be stringer right here. And
Mush.
it's just mush.
We need two of those, but there's mush on both sides. That hole there it was in an attempt to pry off the outside fiberglass.
That's
Well,
an
that can
easy
be
fix.
patched with more fiberglass.
Right. It's more about how do I get these stringers fixed.
Yeah, that's the main problem. Because we can't just put a new transom on there. We got to fix the stringer issue to make it safe.
Which means I cut the deck out.
So we
which is a
got to
big project.
pull out all this junk, take those tanks out because the stringer runs on either side of the tank. We got to cut the deck out to put new stringers in. Fun times, right?
You're using the word we a lot.
I'm the cheerleader.
Yeah. Never buy a boat that's not 100% composite, or at least structurally composite.
Unless you want to practice all these skills.
Never let family members show up with a boat that's not 100% composite.
Okay, we'll be back with more of Scott's work. Bye.